to level 10 with this password. Again, file ASCII. Okay. 1011. Password is in there. Contains base 64 encoded data. Or we can just decode it, right? Let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, yeah. Well, we can put in the cyber shaft. Or we can do a decode it in terminal. 64 in terminal -d. Echo base 64-d. Echo data.text. No, you should do cat data.text. Put into base 64-d. There we go. I think, okay, copy. Let me paste that here first. So we can also do CyberChef, which is a GUI version of decoding. So we can copy this whole string, go to CyberChef, put it in here, and decode that using that from 64, and we will get the same thing. Okay. We're going 11. Oh, here. Copy, paste. Nice. Data, the text. It's ASCII. Another encoding. 11 to 12 have been. Oh, so it's a ciphertext. Caesar cipher. It has been rotated 13 positions. CyberChef can do this too. I believe so. It'll be easier. Rotate. Alt 13. I think that's that. Paste. Copy. Have been rotated 13 position. Well, all lowercase and uppercase. Yeah, all of them. Okay. Label 12. Who is the same? Oh yeah, of course. Copy. Yeah, I got the wrong thing. Yeah, there we go. Copy. Back to the notebook here. Oh. Wait, what? It didn't get copy. Control C. Control V. There we go. So One more. ASCII. It's a hexadecimal. 1213 here. Hexdump of a file must be compressed. Temp which you can work. Use mkdir with the hard to guess directory name on better user command. Make temp. And copy the data file using cp and rename it using mv. Okay. It has been compressed. So we have to decompress it. It's ASCII text. How do I know what kind of compression algorithm you use? So these are all compression command. In the file. Into file. That's what I did. It's ASCII file. Major number. It's weird, this is what I did. Yeah, it's ASCII text representation. So I guess it's just saying this is an ASCII representation of a hex file. So how do we convert that back to, I don't know, maybe binary? Convert hex back to binary. Data. You can do xxd -r. Guess this is the file, right? Or you can use online converter. Let's try this one. Yeah, let's try this one using xxd. But first we have to create the temp file, right? Command video. Let's try that. mktmp-d. Okay. Okay. Copy this. We can copy the current file to this file. Whatever. Directory. That should not specify. That's okay. Let's just copy data text to there. Okay. Okay, let's make sure it's there. OS. Yep, okay. We can move to that directory. Okay. So I think it's SXD. What's the next? -R-PS, and this is that file with this is output. Go to -R-PS data.txt to, I don't know, new data. Ooh, file new data. It's a data. Okay. Yeah, so it's a binary. Data. I think there might be something wrong with this command. Convert the ASCII representing hex value to binary data. With a binary data. Yeah. Let's take a look at XSD main page. So we did -R and -PS. What does that mean? -R revert. Yeah, we're doing reverse operation here. Hex down into binary. PS. Let's see, should be unique. What's that? Has been implemented or evaluated number information. Never generate parse error. Garbage is silently skipped. Example. Print everything but the first 3 lines. Print 3 lines. Return value. XXD file name. To convert previously created hex dump back into its original binary form, use the R. That's what I'm trying to do, right? Basically using this. Let's try that. Let's remove that new data. So let's do XSD -R data text to new data. Oh, okay, new D. Oh, okay. gzip compressed data was data2.zim, so we need to use gzip to decompress it. -D. Actually, I'm not sure if that's how you use it. gzip decompress. Also gunzip file name.gz gzip-d. Oh, you can do that too. gzip-d. So I was right. The new d. Unknown suffix. Why? Tor. Dash d, new d. Why? Unknown suffix. Dash dash. Hyphen hyphen ignore. Could it be because we have to rename the new d to new d the gz? gzip dash d new d the gz. Huh. Okay. So wait, why is it still new d again? File. Oh, now it's bzip2. So for this command to work, it has to be on the gz file, and that's what I was doing here. We're renaming new d to new d.gz, and we get a bzip2 file. And I guess we have to rename the file again to decompress it. bz2, and we will do bonzip2 or bz2 -d. But first thing first, we have to rename the file to new d.bz2. Is it bzip2? bz2. Just make sure that bz2, okay. And we can do bzip2 -d on new d.bz2, and take a look at the new d, which is gzip again. So we do the same thing. We moved new d to new d.gz. We get that, and we do gzip -d new d.gz. Got a new d. Let's check the file type, which is a tar file. Okay, tar file, decompress. Where's the tar file? .xvf. tar.gz. What's this file? Tar archive. tar on the tar file using that. Okay, so again, remove new d to new d.tar. New d.tar, we do tar.xvf to new d.tar. Data file the bin. Again? Okay, so we move data file the bin to data file the bin.tar. Basically just do the same thing again. And we do tar data file the bin.tar. Oh, don't forget the option xvf. We have data6.bin file data6.bin. Did I do something wrong? bzip2. Move data6.bin to data6.bin dot bzip2, right? So it's bz2, I believe so. Make sure. Yeah, the bz2. And we use bzip 2-d to decompress it. Bzip 2-d to decompress the data bin the bz2, yeah. Data the text. Wait, where is it? Data6.bin. File data6.bin. Is tar archive again? Why? Feel I'm recursive. Did I do anything wrong? Tar. Okay. Tar. Data6.bin.tar. That's how we do it, right? Oh. -xvf. xvf. Did I eat a bit again? File. Bin. How many times I have to do this? Data9.bin. It was data9.bin. gzip data. Okay. Move data 8.bin to data 8.bin.gz. And we want to gzip-d data 8.bin.gz. Okay. And we got data 8.bin. 8.bin. Wait, hello? Did it crash? What's going on? Ah, shoot. I think my laptop just crashed. So yeah, I'm using Did it just crash? Yeah, I certainly just did. So I'm using another laptop. Yeah, okay. I'm using another laptop to do this whole thing, and obviously just crashed. So I guess I'll take a break here, figure out what's going on. All right, we're back. Yeah, let's just pick up where we left off. So continue to the file a.bin. Oh, into the ASCII value now? Can we cut it? Data bin. Oh, thank God. So I did this for so many times that to a point I started questioning myself if I did this right. Turns out I was right all along. So that's good news. So we get that. Clear. We wanna go to level 13. Is this key the private? Where's that? Oh, it's a private key. What do we need that for? 13. Can only be read by user Bandit 14. For this level, you don't get the next password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. Look at the command and logged you into previous Bandit level and find out how to use that key for this level. So we have to take that SSH key to log into Bandit 14. There's no password for this one. Okay, you can do something like SSH login with key. I think it's dash something, dash I or something. Windows. Key. Oh yeah, here. Oh, okay. Just echo it. Okay, maybe not. SSH. Yeah, so it's dash I with the file. Let's see. SSH dash I with SSH key. We want to log into. What's the name of it? Here. Copy that. Paste. But you want to change that to Bandit 14. Yes, I want to continue. And you are trying to log in with the password on port 2220 from localhost. It's blocked. Wait, why? Okay, let me take a look at the 13 to 14. Okay, by user Bandit 14. You don't get the next password, but you get a private key. You can use login to next level. And find out what to use key for this level. Password for next level is stored in here. So we have to log in first, right? Because it can only be read by the user Bandit 14. Receive disconnect from port 2220. Interesting. Am I supposed to use port 2220 or is it a different port? So, are you sure? Could not create directory. Permission denied. Oh. Is it because of sudo? I don't know. Let me try to use sudo. Must be owned by, okay, I cannot just do sudo. But what happened when I run it? Yes. So it got denied. Could not create the directory .ssh. Permission denied. Okay. Let me take a look. You don't get this, but you get a private key that can be used to log into the next level. Bandit 14. Because I'm already on this server, so what if I change it to localhost? What's gonna happen? Permission denied. Which is not intended. 422 is trying to. Okay, so I still have to use port 2220 maybe. Connection log was blocked. To conserve resources, log out and log in again. Still. Okay, that's weird because it should work. SSH-I with the key Bandit 14 at port 2220. Are you sure we want to continue? Yes. This is an OverTheWire game server. Failed to add a host. Permission denied. Could not create directory. Why am I got denied? Does not have a necessary file system permission to create that. Does not own the home directory or the permission are set incorrectly. might not have write permission to parent directory. The current home directory for Bandit 13 might be restricted. Okay. Do that. Do that. Transfer. User provided private login to next server. So we're copying that to, okay, S-L SSH key. So only Bandit 14 can do read and write. We can only read though. I'm not sure if I can move it. I guess I can do cat cat SSH key. Put that in a new key, the private. Permission denied. Okay, can I cat it? I can cat it, sure. But I cannot write it. I can. Well, what if I just copy this whole thing? Let's do a vim. Oh, I know why. Cause I'm not even allowed to vim here. I bet. Key dot private. Wait, I'm allowed? Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't let me because I don't have the permission to do it. Okay, that's okay. We can do okay. How to create a temp file again? So okay, temp -d. Okay, temp -d. Let's go here. CD. Okay, there's a vim here. Put in the new key. The private. Paste that. Oh, not you. You. Ah, no, copy, just copy. Let's do it one more time. Paste it, write it. Okay, now we're cooking. So we can do SSH -I with this new key. Log into Bandit 14, and I'm not going to type the whole thing out. Copy. Paste. Footing. With a word. Wait, what? Could not create a directory. Some problem? How's that? Is it the permission thing? -L new key. Read and write. That should be enough. Okay, what about we change the permission to 7 0 So now we can execute it. I don't know if they're gonna change anything though. -I 14. Yeah, permission deny. Could not create directory home bandit 13-SSH. Since I have necessary files, we create a directory in the file location. So the error likely occurred when the server tried to automatically create the SSH directory for an operation. You should focus on retrieving the private key file. Use SCP to copy it to your local machine. Wait. To copy it to your local machine? So I'm not supposed to log in from here? Is that what you're saying? Okay, let's try that. Copy it. And just open a new terminal. Okay. There's an edge. This has been a new SSH key. The private. Oh, I don't have it. We can use nano. Key the private. Paste it, save it, yes, and it's there. So we can do SSH-I. Actually, we can just do this -I SSH key private to bandit 14. What's the password? Oh, bad permission. Okay. Rewrite. Should be okay. The private key will be ignored. Okay, let's set it to 600. Smart. So is R2 open? So we can just get rid of these two things. Yeah, so only root can read them right now. You should be happy, right? 2014. Ah, there we go. Okay. What's in here? Oh, I think it says somewhere here. This is where the password is. So we can just cat it. There we go. So yeah guys, so instead of doing that using Bandit 13 inside of Bandit 13 terminal, you have to use your own terminal instead. Session, I mean. Level. So that's supposed to be 15? Is it? Or on localhost. I guess that's still 14. And then level 15. It says to submit the password for the current password to current level on port 30,000 on localhost. Okay, so you were saying with localhost, so you want me to log in here? SSH. Here. Copy. So pour 30,000 to Bandit 15. Closed. Okay, let's change that to localhost. I'm gonna have to use Telnet or Netcat. Open SSL. Let's do Telnet. I think something like Telnet, localhost, -p. Oh. Help. Let's take a look. Telnet option host and port. Oh, okay. Telnet option local host. I guess 30,000. That's not how you use it. Can I get rid of the -p? Yeah, okay. Paste it. Ah! No, not you. Okay, just... How do I get out? Exit? quit. Oh, okay. Let's do it one more time. Except we wanna take this password, send it over to localhost on this port using telnet, and we should get a password back. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Copy that. This will be for level 15. And let's take a look at the level 15. 14, 15. Actually, it's for 16. That's for 16. So this is for 15 because no password for 14. Can be retrieved and submitted a password of the current level to port 30,001 on localhost using SSL encryption. Is Netcat encrypted? It's not encrypted, so you cannot use it. But you can do it by using --SSL. Modern rewrite of Netcat that includes support using --SSL. Or you can do it with Netcat plus OpenSSL. That's what we want. Traffic by piping it through OpenSSL. Yep. -D. So you do Netcat -L-P. Do that. Actually, let me take a look at this. So -L -P is for source port. What's -L? Main page. Should listen for incoming. Okay. Just listening for incoming request. Okay. Netcat -L-P at localhost at 3001. 3001 actually. And we want to pipe it into OpenSSL at with -D, I think. Yeah, let's take a look at the OpenSSL main page. We do -D. What does that mean? -D. Didn't say anything. Is it for digest? option key 4. Key 4. Can't find it. Engine. But it says that over here. -D. Oh. Try. Let's try to run it. Yeah, invalid command, huh? AI is wrong, I guess. Netcat, open SSL. Netcat with open SSL. Cat. Or you can just use OpenSSL. Connect. Home summon. Open SSL is client. Oh, okay. And I think it says on. Oh. Yeah, so I guess you have to use OpenSSL. It says on here too. Okay. So this is how to use it, huh? Pen. Man page. So many options. Open SSL, command, command argument. Just take a look at an example. Cat request is client dash connect. Take a look at this. This might be what we want. What's this client? So localhost at 3001. Wait, what is this? Connected, okay. Can use SSL get server name. I think we're in. What if we try to? Because it said we can submit the current password, right? And we're supposed to get the flag. Oh, correct. Okay. Yeah, so you have to use OpenSSL. Oh, shoot. Copy. So, here. 17. Actually 17. Yeah, 18. I'm 17. Wait, it's 17. This is for 17. Oh yeah, okay, so I have to copy this and perhaps log into somewhere. For the current password again, on port, range from that. First find out what of these port. Hope server listening on them. Then find out which of these speak SSL and which don't. There's only one server that will give a next credential. The others will simply send back to whatever you send it. So I guess we'll have to use mmap on this one. So we're scanning port password, the current password level to port on localhost in the range of these 31,000 to 32,000. So we can do mmap, and we want to scan localhost -p 31,000 to 32,000. So there, these ports are open, and one of them will send back the answer, and the one that speak SSL will speak the answer, will spit out the answer to us, so we can run an mmap on the service to see what they do. Again, localhost, we can -p d1046. I think we can do multiple port at the same time, right? 1A, 1A, 31691, 31790, and 31960. So I think there shouldn't be any space. I hope that works. Oh no. Meanwhile, let me check if I did it right. Cheat. So -sv section default script running on port. Was actually running on the port. Yeah, that's what we want. -sv. Just import scan. This is checking if the port is open. Taking a long time. Can we do a fast scan? I remember there's a fast scan, right? Host discovery. My command port specification. -p. Well, it's a range for port. Oh, doesn't look like maybe this is wrong. I'm not sure. maybe there shouldn't be any comma between. Actually, I think there should be comma in between. Yeah, commas is necessary. Looks like so, but it also looks like it's taking forever, so maybe we can do it one by one. And even doing one is taking a long time, huh? Okay. Let me see if we can do a fast mode. Fast mode. -A remote voice detection timing. Although T-Fi. Let's do that. -T-Fi. Yeah, this is taking a long time. Can we? It says there's only one server that will give the next credential. What if we just trial and error? Netcat. What does Netcat do? It does. Routing table. Yeah, wait. Now that we don't need that. We don't need to. Excuse me. Oh, there we go. Just echo, huh? All right. Okay. Let's do something different. Do it all of them at the same time. 31691. Maybe no space. 31790 and 31960. And go. Because we can exclude this one out. We don't have to scan that one. Now, we will get the right port in just few seconds or perhaps few minutes. Meanwhile, once it's ready, we can use OpenSSL. Do the thing that we did in level 15 to 16. So for now, we just wait for the result. So we're back with the result. So we can see we have these port with the services, and this one particularly interests me. It's a SSL. It's not echo. It's unknown. So this one looks promising, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to open SSL, and I forgot how to use it because I have a very short memory. Alright, you know what? We can check up here. I think somewhere, right? Oh yeah, here. Open SSL, S client, like that. Paste it, and we want to change the port to 31790. And we want to copy the current password, the password for this current level, to here, send it over, and it says wrong. How is that wrong? Wait. One more time. It's the right password. What are we talking about? Wait. Current level, right? For 16. Wait, who am I? Oh, I'm 14. How? Let me try this one. So you're telling me we got the right port and we got the wrong password? Key update. So when I enter a password from other levels, which is obviously wrong, we only need to press return 1, and it will say the password was wrong. But when we copy and paste the password that I think should be right for the current password, for the current level, I have to press twice. I don't know what that means. Key update. What's that mean? Update. Meaning in open SSL connection. One or both sides of the connection are updating their symmetric traffic key for frequent rotation. Receiver that the sender has updated its own sending key, and the receiver must use a new key for all future incoming data. It can optionally request that the receiving peer also its own sending key. It's not using. Interesting. So you're just saying we have a key, key update, that's all? What if I paste that one more time? You just keep saying that. So maybe that's not a port? Maybe there's not a right port. Let's try another one. There's another one running SSH, right? Somewhere up here. Here. 31518. 31518. Woo. Let's do that. 518. and we cannot connect. So that's the only answer. Because there's no other ports. Other ports are just echo service. T1790. So what if we if we log out from Bandit 14, use a new terminal? I don't know, would that work? It wouldn't, because we have to log in as localhost. Bandit 14. Because we have to be in the server, so we can use this. We can connect to the local host. Let me screenshot this just in case I lost it. Or just copy and paste it. SSL echo TCP open. Connect. Any hints? Oh, okay. It says here, reconnected command section in the main page. Key update. Maybe open SSL. Main page. Connected commands. No? That's weird. What main page? Getting done, renegotiating. Read the connected commands section in the main page. There. Display and any key press will be sent to server when used interactively, which means neither quiet nor I don't know what it is have been given. The session will be renegotiated if the line begins with an R, and if the line begins with a Q, or if n a file is reached, the connection will be closed down. Okay, so how does that help me? and also what is quiet. Oh, does that mean we'll have you use quiet mode? Copy. Wait, what? Oh, great. And I got a private RSA key. Copy this. Level 18. Let me create another one. I'm gonna call it level 18. How do I save? Level 18. The txt. Sure. Okay, we got a key. What's a quiet mode? I think it's saying we don't wanna talk to the server interactively. We send, get a response, and it's done. Yeah, and it's done. So that's quiet mode, I think. But let's verify that. Unnecessary diagnostic message, session information, and status dots. Make output cleaner, particularly when debugging, scripting, piping out to other command. So you don't talk bullshit, just give you back the whatever you want, I guess. So without quiet mode, OpenSSL act in a verbose manner, printing debugging info, status dot, search chain details and all. Okay. Okay.